What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to log into your WhatsApp account using a different Android or iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you're trying to log into your WhatsApp account on Android or iOS, the steps you should follow will be the same. Only the layout and menu options might change a bit. First, we will log into our WhatsApp account while using Android as our primary device and iOS as our secondary device. Now, before we proceed, there are certain things we need to know. If the primary device is turned off for 14 days, the secondary device account will be signed out automatically. Secondly, only the last year's messages leading up to now will be synced. Although you'll be using WhatsApp on a different device without your SIM card, all your messages will remain end-to-end encrypted. To log into WhatsApp on another device, ensure that WhatsApp is not installed yet on the secondary device. Reinstall it via the App Store and wait for the download to complete. Once WhatsApp is reinstalled on your secondary device, tap to open it and agree with WhatsApp's privacy policy. Now, instead of entering your phone number, click the Link this device to an existing account option. If you don't get the Link to existing account option, there's no need to worry. Uninstall the app and then proceed to reinstall it again. For most users, it will resolve the issue. After you selected the Link to existing account option, a QR code will appear on your secondary device. Now, head to your primary device and scan the QR code via the device's camera. Wait until the scan is completed. Your WhatsApp account will now be logged in to your secondary device while also being active on your primary device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.